get it to pretty tight. Not bad. I get the brake cleaner. You're playing with liquids again. Put your glasses on. You get this far without hurting yourself. Yuck. Don't taste very good. But again, not flammable. So that's cleaned. Puppy's cleaned off. I can't guarantee we're gonna it's gonna work, but it don't hurt to try. Alright. So good pads, bad rotor. So there's an example of definitely a bad rotor, because you are not getting any pressure other than in this little ring right here. Outside, you're only getting same amount on that ring. So this is definitely a shot ram rotor. See right here, it's gone. Now you can have them resurfaced, but nowadays the cost of getting them resurfaced is not even worth. They're only $35. Now those, we got that whole kit with the rotors, slotted rotors and drilled, and ceramic pads for $95. Okay, coming off of 1A. And Nakamoto Power Series Performance for the same price as I would have paid for $35 for these, and $35 a piece for those, which had been $70, and then about $35 for the standard rotor now, and standard brake pads. Would run you about $75 to $80, and you can get a kit, ceramic and slotted rotors, which I don't know what they'd be when you'd call advance, but I know they're running probably $120, $130 for that kit at a organic grease, and I don't know if I want to put. I really hate putting that on there, but here's my brake. Yeah, my brake caliper grease. So now what I want to do is I want to make sure the area that those rotors or the brake pads set are good and clean. And then you're going to put those on the pads, but head start, stick it right here. Man, this stuff's pushing right out of there because it's warm. We're about 95 degrees in here. That is no problem. Getting on there. Okay, the other side of it is put it on your slider shaft. Both of them. Oh, that's that one. It's going in that one, and then you're gonna have your one. Make sure that this is sliding back and forth inside there free. Okay. Slide back and forth in there freely. You'll have no problem. Alright, good. so we're there. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna put a little bit. Guess I'll put a little bit of blue on there. You can get blue, you can get red. Gotta be careful because you put this stuff on there and it will lock them. Okay, let's see. Now these didn't come with any grease or anything on them or preservative, so I'm not even gonna worry about spraying them down with parts cleaner. Didn't appear to have any grease or anything. Well, I guess it ain't gonna hurt them. We can do that. Most of them come with preservative on them, but these didn't, so I'm not gonna worry about it other than just spraying them off a little bit. If you've got NECs, I don't think I do. I don't know if I got any NECs in my collection here or not. I used to have NECs. NECs on there. Okay. Perfect fit. We have a perfect fit. Alright. Here we go. Let's put this puppy on there. Some blue. Where are you? I'm only putting just a tad. Probably not even enough to hold it. Because I hate that stuff if I need to pull those off of there. We'll have it can be a major. These bolts being so old, they grip pretty good. Okay. I do and I don't. Okay. Okay. Bang. Okay. And let me torque those. According to my getting ate up Haynes, your front anchor plates 85 to 95 foot-pounds. Your rears, the rear ones 65 to 97. Now you can 65 to 87. Now it's because most of your stopping power again is on your front brakes. And then your brake caliper, except for Cobra, for 97 and earlier, going backwards, is 65, 98 and later 23. So we want 65 and we want between 85 and 95. Yep. So let's do that. A lot of times you're going to do it, you use impact on it. Not a good idea. You can use your impact to break it, but I'm going to go 5 to 90, and you don't have to do it but once. My glasses, I just had them on my head. I gotta use glasses with magnifiers in them. I use them at work. And oh, by the way, I get these at Walmart for $5. And I use like 200. Okay. So 85 to 95. I'm going to go, yeah, let's say 86. Actually, I want to go 90. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's it. Okay. Oh, that was embarrassing. Okay, done that. All right, we got done. Next, let's get the quit. Okay, now let's get the pads on there. Facing different directions. I think they're the same. And like they said, they are Nakamoto ceramic. So, say ceramic are better all the way around. Okay, sweet. Okay, I'm on the roller. Alright. Okay. Get him on the roller. Alright. Okay. Let's get that one. Okay, sweet. One. Okay. Sweet. Oh, yeah. And, of course, unfortunately, because there wasn't too much tread, or wear, I say, on those rotors, I gotta push, still gotta push the piston back. So, put the old one in. Compress it back. Okay, so compress the pistons back. Okay, fully compressed. It should go right on there, no problem. Again, get that grease on there. Okay, slide down there. Put that back a little bit. Spring loaded on there, and then you got the one. Get your one slider bolt here. Right grease on here. Oh yeah. A little bit of, oh, too much on that one. Put the spring down there. Alright. Said 65 on this one. Not gonna be much. There you go. Okay. Of course I had to use a adapter on that for that. So. Alright. There you are. That's the one side here, and we're good to go. I'll do the other side. Real important, always have your stuff chalked and secure before you start. Turn the wheel so you can get to those bolts and the sliders. The other important thing is when you're done, before you do anything, make sure you pump the brakes before you go anywhere. Because if you don't, you're gonna have a you're gonna have a surprise when you go to try and stop. Believe me, it happens to everybody. So just a reminder, when you're done with it, make sure you pump the brake. Get the grease off of it. I gotta spray those one time. Warm them up. Alright, here we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, especially if you're already using directional or drilled and slotted rotors, especially if you're using the Nakamoto brand. If not, I'm going to let you know down the road how they perform. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Project Stang.